Okay, guys. So, kapag pumasok kayo dito sa house, ang una niyong maaamoy was parang kahoy siya. Ganun, alam niyo yung amoy ng basang kama. Ganun yung amoy. Anyways, ooh, rotary phone. Ew. Anyways, it's still retro aesthetic. Ayun yung tawag nila dyan. So, ayan. Ito ang mga paintings. And this is a vinyl. And this is... Ano to? Meron pang alikabok. Ano to? For safety feature?
Excuse me, apo. Hindi tali ito. Tape to, tape. Dito nakalagay yung sound. Minikot kasi yan eh.
Cut! Tay, kita ka sa shot ko, tay.
Sandali kasi pinapaliwanag ko
No,
sa kanya.
kasi nasa gitna ka eh.
Oh,
Okay? Ako yung kinukuhaan.
Naintindihan kasi tagal sa akin to eh.
No, okay,
Sa lola
okay
mo pa
lang.
to eh.
Kung masisira ko naman, babayaran ko eh.
Ha?
Sige na, action na, action.
Watch, paano naman sa'yo? Sige na, Lo. Doon ka na. Watch, please. Sige na po, Lo.
Girly Pop, sige na, action na. Action!
Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you're new to my channel, I post videos daily. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button for you to be updated every day. So, ayun guys, thank you for watching. And I'm curious to hear your thoughts.
Pots. Isa pa.
Okay, wait. Sorry na. Okay. Ayan guys, thank you for watching.
Sabi, Apo, may gusto ka bang kainin? Alam mo, may kilala ko dyan sa tindahan, nagbebenta ng pampano. Naku, mahilig ka ba doon?
Pam-pam?
Hindi, pampano. Magugustuhan mo yun. Fish yun, fish.
Lo, it's okay. I already ordered food. Tsaka isa pa, naka-water fast ako.
Fasting? Naku, alam mo yung nanay mo. Noong araw,
No,
pag nagpa-fasting.
Please, let's not talk about her. Okay lang.
Bakit? Ha?
You?
Ano nangyari? Ha? Ha?
No, he didn't!
Perfect.
Oh, ganito kasi yan. Itong vinyl, papasok nyo dito sa butas. Ayan. Oh, tapos paikutin yung turntable. Oh, kaya angat nyo itong arm. Tapos,
laway mo.
Diba?
Ay, analog talaga, no?
Ito pa, may paborito kong kanta rito. Yan, ito, yan,
Wow! Retro chic!
Ha? Chic?
Lo, ano yun? Aesthetic.
Aesthetic.
Ano yun?
I'm so dying out
Ano
here.
nangyari, Iha, ha?
Lolo, wala po kayong mainit na water here?
Mainit na water? Mainit na water?
Ano yun, Lo? Tubig panligo?
Ay, gusto mo ng mainit na tubig na panliligo mo? Ay, naku, magpapakulo ako. Saglit
Wag na, Lo. Baka mabinat ka pa. Ako na. Roach, mag-igib ka na.
Ako na. Madali lang yan. Kayang-kaya ni Lolo yan.
Ikaw talaga.
It's colding. It's colding.
Pwede ka namang maging less, yourself.
Oh, what did I do? Sa malamig nga eh.
Oo, pero that's not how to treat people. Dying people.
Hello, girl. Take note. Not just other people dying. It's your Lola who's dying.
Guys, let's just stop, please. Talking about mga kadugo na yan. You know I'm iffy with blood.
Ewan ko sa'yo dun sa malay.
Whatever. Tomorrow, kumuha lang tayo ng momentum na maganda and then let's pack up ourselves. Let's just go back with collabing with other celebrities again.
Okay.